welcome back to section 5, where we're going to do project number 1, and we're going to animate a logo. Okay. In this video, we're going to go over an overview of what we're going to be learning throughout this section. So first, we're going to download the project files from my website, learntechprojectfiles.com. We're going to download those project files. We're going to create a new file. Then we'll create a new composition. We'll import the project files. We'll organize the files. We'll add the background. We'll add the logo. Then we'll animate the logo. We'll preview the video. We'll export to Media Coder, and then we'll render in Media Encoder, and then watch the final video, and then go over a summary of what we learned. Okay, so I'm very looking forward to doing all this stuff with you to teach you how to create a project in After Effects. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.